it's me, Alex. Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a screen adjustment on a Nintendo Switch. If you've seen sometimes when you connect your Nintendo Switch to a TV, the edges kind of look cut off. It might be either too small and you see black borders around the screen, or it might be too large and some things get cut off from the TV. This issue is mainly on older TVs. Newer TVs actually do a good job on fixing the placement. For example, I have a Samsung TV. It actually does fix itself automatically. I didn't need to do this. I used to have an older TV and it would get cut off, and then I would have to fix it manually. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. But before we get started, hi to anyone new here. My name is Alex Torres. I do helpful technology videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's going to help my channel grow. Thank you. So let's get started with the video. So in order to do an adjustment, you do need to have your Switch docked to your TV. So as you can see, that right there is my Nintendo Switch. It's already docked and the cable goes up to my TV, which as you can see, it's live broadcasting the image from the Switch. As you can see, the image is filled right now where the edges right here would get cut off. Let's just say this circle was more this way. This would be like all the way in the corner. You can tell when it gets cut off. So you will need your Joy-Cons or your Pro Controller. This is what I'm using, a Pro Controller, but of course the controls are the same. You can use the arrows and the A to select. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to System Settings by going down, left to System Settings and pressing A for OK. As you can see, it opens System Settings, and then we're going to go all the way down to, TV Settings. As you can see, it's going to show you TV Settings, and we want to look for Adjust Screen Size. This feature will only show up once it's docked. So if you were using the Switch handheld, you're not going to see that setting. So we're going to go all the way to screen size, again, by using the arrows or by using this, and then pressing A for OK on adjust screen size. And now it's going to show arrows on your TV. As you can see, it's at 100% scale, but it's right because you can see the arrows are all the way touching the edge of the TV. That's how it's supposed to be. Let me show you an example when it's wrong. As you can see, let's just say it's at 92. As you can see, you have black borders around your screen. Of course, this might bother you because, of course, you have thick borders even though you have a good TV. So that's how you would change it. So we go back to System Settings, TV Settings, Adjust Screen Size, and then here is just onto your TV. Just compare the edge. Make sure it touches the edge of the TV. As you can see, to adjust, you use this to go up or down, or you could use the arrow for down. As you can see, it's changing the button, or to hold this one to change it back up. As you can see, mine, of course, is 100% because this is a newer TV. It automatically scales to the way it's supposed to be. So of course, let's just say yours was at 83, then you would have all that border. But let's just say, okay, now I have a bigger TV, I need that. Maybe you had an older TV. Just go back in here and change it all the way to your preference that it fits the screen. Mine's 100. To save your stuff, press on right or here and OK and A to select. And of course, just like that, as you can see now, it's a full screen again. This does not mess up with any of your game data or nothing like that. As you can see, the Switch still has all of my data on here. There's nothing that got removed or anything. It's just to adjust the screen size to the way it should be on your TV. And just like that, you have a full screen experience on your TV screen again for your Switch. Of course, this would work on, of course, older Switches. This is the first gen Nintendo Switch, or if you have the new OLED or the Switch 2. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. I hope this quick fix was able to help you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time in my next video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye!